National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Columbia County in southwestern Arkansas, south central Lafayette County in southwestern Arkansas, northeastern Bossier Parish in northwestern Louisiana, western Claiborne Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 12:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:46 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cotton Valley, or 12 miles south of Spring Hill, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bossier City, Minden, Spring Hill, Homer, Haynesville, Cullen, Cotton Valley, Sarepta, Taylor, Emerson, Dixie-Ann, Shongaloo, Welcome, Atlanta, Eastwood, Evergreen, Letton, Cushwood, Walkerville, and Holly Springs. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time for a portion of northwest Louisiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bossier, Claiborne, and Webster, and the following counties in Arkansas, Columbia, and Lafayette.